This is a B27. This is a B22 because my light bulb is B22, so I need this converter. I have already recorded a video on how to add and connect the device in my previous video. Let's see what this bulb can do. Can edit. You can remove device. You got device update. And then you can click automatic if you want automatic, but I don't want. You can check device network. Add to home screen. So where will it be? Add. Succeed. Oh, it's here. Okay, it's bringing me back here. You got feedback, create group. Let's create group. It seems that I don't have other devices that I could add into this group. Share devices. Oh, it's for anyone in your same room or same house so that they could control the device too. Just add their account. Then we have offline notification. But I don't need this. Then we have the third-party control so that you can use voice control to control the device. And it supports Alexa, Google Assistant, Xiaodu, Tencent, Ding Dong, Rocket, Tmall Genie. What about tap to run an automation? Oh, I need to create my own scene. Then device information. And what about this edit button? You can change the icon. And then you can change the name. And you can select which part is the device for. Okay. So before you on the light bulb, you can use schedule. So I have one schedule here. So I can try adding schedule. For example, I select 1 minute later. For once, I know lights on. Save. Then on notification. On. Okay, I save. So let's see. After 1 minute. Oh, it's on. And there's a note. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, when light bulb is on, you off it here. When you're off, you're back to the screen, and you on it. So you have a few options here to click. Set the brightness of the lamp, or the temperature. So then you have this. You can change the color of the lamp. Then you can choose, this is the brightness, and also how saturated is the color. Okay, you go to the next one. Oh, this is, you can straight away select what mode you want to be in. Night mode, red supposed to be in this brightness. Work. Oh, this dazzling, it will move itself. Working. It's a brighter one. Leisure. Gorgeous. Colorful. Colorful also changes. And soft. So for this scene mode, you can also click edit. And then you can edit the photo of the scene. And you also can change the name. And you can also change the color. Submit. Edit. And you can also like change it to flash mode. And then you add one more color like the yellow. And then you click. You submit. So what about the next one? Oh, this one will follow music. Oh, even when I speak, you'll follow my hello, hello, hello. It will change. And the last one is schedule. You can put timer, or you can choose like 1 hour after, all the way up to 24 hours. Okay? Or you can put schedule, when to on. This is the one that we added just now. You can choose your time, repeat or not, Here you can choose the days. Or you can add a note like just now. Notification, or you choose to on or off at the selected time.